Alright, top of the morning. I just got third place on the Kahoot. I'ma show you. First time he's on. I got third. But yeah, it's Monday. Electrical. Today is like day 5. Chill vibes. You know, gonna get an education on. I forgot my laptop at home, so so this footage might be a little sus. But I'm gonna make it do what it need to do. Hope y'all weekend was good. Peace and love.
To the circuit, alright? What would happen until the voltage drops down? Say it again? It will be less? There we go, alright? We have a series parallel circuit, alright? All he did was isolated this circuit as its own. Applied the rules for the series circuit. We said that we add them up. So this is no longer 2 and 2. It still just becomes 4. Alright? Series parallel circuit. Alright? It's just 2 circuits in one. You break up the circuit, you isolate them, and then you apply the rules for that circuit.
It's hot as fuck.
Yo, Gargoyle's doing this too. Everybody get money. I just let them up.
Ooh! Ooh!
Yeah.
Say word, that's not.
I'm doing it.
Say word. Come do it. Come do it. Show me how to do push-ups then.
You ever seen that fish?
Shit. Damn, Joni too? Everybody about to be at least 50 by this shit over. Sheesh. Damn.
So what type of circuit does this look like?
Looks a difficult one. Looks like series.
Headlights. Alright? This is exactly how your headlight circuit would look.
That makes sense.
You got one switch, alright? Sends power to one circuit and controls 2 loads. Alright? The horns, right, the same exact way. You got one switch that controls 2 loads. Right? The series parallel circuit is probably the most common circuit that you will come across. Right? Because if one component goes out, everything doesn't just go out, right? So this is just to give you an idea of what that looks like. But if we're solving for that, nothing changes. You simply have 2 different circuits. Let's do 6 and 6. Alright, 6 ohms each. And we're gonna get this done. 3 ohms. We're gonna do the same thing that we did before. Right? Only difference here is you want to isolate the circuits itself. Right? Just how in the previous one we solved for each series circuit, right? We're gonna do the same exact thing, but instead of having a series circuit within a parallel circuit, we have a parallel circuit
within the series.
and then a series circuit.
That's the word.
Oh shit.
I got 50s.
Let's do it.
Oh my God. Yo, why'd you open that in the first place, man? Who opened that? Oh, my fault.
What about now? Hopefully less than time. What, 30 feet? But with it being the highway, you gotta keep your hopes. I dropped 50. We do 40 now. Oh, we're not promoting.
Whenever you're ready, we good? Yeah, you go. Whenever you're ready to start, I got you.
Nice little 40 clip. Trying to catch everybody.
Yeah, I got you.
3, 2, 1, go. Right now? Yeah, fuck. Good shit. Appreciate you.
Of course. Oh shit. It's good.
Feel me?
On out. Exactly. So based off the information given to us, we already know what the total amperage is. Alright? We don't know what the voltage is. We don't know what the total resistance is. Alright? But because we have the value of each resistor, we can find total resistance.
Get out of here. Safety mud.
See you tomorrow if you're gonna be here.
I'll be here.
Alright, so see you tomorrow.
You gotta sign up?
Hmm?
You gotta sign up.
My bald ass head, there's hair on it. On my head. Yo, did Mo sign out?
You on the Paris?
Yo, you gotta sign up?
Yo, we gotta hurry, bro.
Get this pen to sign up.
You know how that parking lot get.
Oh my God, shit. You fat fuck.
That's me. I got one.
Go ahead, CV. We out of here. Go home safe. Yo, look at this guy.
Nah, imagine. It's crazy.
Time to go home. Peace, love. Today is Monday. Catch y'all tomorrow.